Welcome to another update from Forster 13. I'm filling in for Nathan for the next couple of days. He's advised me that he'll be back on board on Friday. We have a look at the life of the Typhoon Kong Rey, currently located 22.4 degrees north, 128.1 degrees east. Maximum sustained winds 90 knots, gusting 110 knots. Typhoon 30W, Kong Rey, 247 nautical miles south of the KADENA Air Force Base, Okinawa, Japan, tracking northwest at 10 knots and wave height about 28 feet. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery shows the system continues to weaken as central convective tops warmed up and feeder bands unravelling. The pinhole eye has become cloud covered but still discernible. The Typhoon 30W remains in an area of low vertical wind shear, 5 to 10 knots, excellent dual outflow channels, very strong poleward bias. Along track sea surface temperatures remain 28-29 Celsius. However, the cyclone is now tracking along this swept of low ocean heat content. Now we have a look at some tracks of the typhoon. And the swept of low ocean heat content caused by the previous passage of the Typhoon Kong, plus cold dry air is now affecting from the northwest. These surface dynamics are the primary causes for the significant weakening of the system. The cyclone is tracking along the southwestern periphery of the deep layered subtropical ridge to the northeast. The Joy Typhoon Warning Centre in my last update last night indicated that the typhoon could undergo further intensification, but the environment has changed. Typhoon 30 will round the western edge of the steering ridge, turning more poleward, cresting the ridge axis within 36 hours. Afterward, it will recurve, accelerate northeastward ahead of the mid-latitude trough approaching from the northwest. Now here's a look at the Central Weather Bureau's track and I think wind chart. Within 48 hours, or at the 48-hour mark, the typhoon will become a cold core low over the cold waters of the Sea of Japan, increasing vertical wind shear, decreasing vertical wind shear will contribute to the weakening trend to 65 knots within 72 hours. After that, the typhoon will continue to accelerate northeastward by the 96-hour mark with a track speed exceeding 30 knots and will have crossed northern Japan, merging back into the Pacific Ocean east of Hokkaido as the storm force 45 knot cold core row. Now we have a look at the wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency, 850 millibar vorticity, and the upper level divergence. And the typhoon will also be embedded in the baroclinic zone with an expansive wind field. Dynamic model guidance is in good agreement with a small cross-track spread. However, once again, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has in its advisory, there's poor agreement in the long track forecast speeds around the 36-hour mark. There is, however, high confidence in the JTWC's forecast track up to 36 hours. Now we have a look at the pivotal weather website. It's total precipitation. The scale is at the bottom of the screen and it's the GFS model. And finally, we have a look at a couple of models on what they're saying about the typhoon. We will continue to bring the latest information on this system and other systems on the tropical radar.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with you at any time. You can also find our YouTube page if you're not there already, subscribed hopefully, and you can also follow our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text. Videos are now there as well, and you can follow us on Twitter at Force 13 is our handle, and it's hashtag F13Sulik if you'd like to draw our attention to anything in future live events or whatnot. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron with its various rewards that come with that feature as well. And you can add me personally, Fool13 at extension 9094 on Discord, and Force13 on Skype for tropical weather chat.